against to the left. It is a one-way restroom. Go to the right if you need them beforehand. Enjoy. Jacob.
Hi, thanks for tuning in. My name is Jacob. Today we're going to be going to the Houston Botanical Garden. It's going to be a fun one, so hope you like it. It's going to be great. Whoa, this is a Hemerocalus. They are native to Eurasia, but they're more commonly known as daylilies. Well, there's another one. It's a praying mantis. It's so cute. An amazing plant. Did you know that bamboo is the fastest growing plant in the world and one of the most versatile? There's a Chinese temple here. Is that cranes there? There's cranes outside. Seems there's pumpkins here too. Okay, let's play the bubbles.
Hummingbird. Hummingbirds have to eat up to 3 times their body weight each day to sustain their super fast metabolism. So like there's very preppy squirrels and a very preppy tree. It's so aesthetic, chat. It changes colors too, by the way. So preppy.
Okay, so here's a butterfly. It's a really cool one. It's changing colors. And it's I think that's a monarch butterfly. And now there's these, I think it's either a fig or, well, I don't know what those are. These are roses. They are these red colored things, but they can be in other colors too. But they look very good, very beautiful. Okay, so now we're in this place with a bunch of lights. And we're just taking some pictures. Okay, now we're heading to this place that is. It has some more. What are these called? There's a monkey. And
My brother cat.
look at that. There's more. Yeah. And now we're taking pictures here, and then we're gonna be walking down, and yeah. There's more animals, frogs, snakes, elephants, and more pictures. And now we're just going down. Okay, now there's squirrels, parrots, and more, and oh, there's flowers, and a spider. Whoa. Okay, so now
What's that? Jacob, you look awfully like it.
Okay, so there's these opossums. What I understand is that this is an opossum, but it could be anything else. But my guess is that it's an opossum. There are these animals that kind of look like a mixture of a raccoon and a squirrel. And here's my sister Angela. Okay, now we're going down, and we're just going to be. There's this now. There's these bear seam, clover, and roselles. There. Okay, oh, they're hibiscuses. Okay, so as you can see, there might be some leaf things. I think that might be the hibiscus they're talking about.
This is child
Whoa,
imprisonment.
coloring.
I don't know what else. I don't even know what that
I
means.
like that. As we walk down the corridor, we figure out our next stop is, we're going to the next part about native grasslands. It was once vast prairie that's stretched all across. And now we talk about this plant called the Louisiana iris. You can see there is a stalk behind me, and now the next thing we're to see is the blue-eyed grasses, which is a member of the iris family, which are these green lands that have, and there's dragonflies on them. That's actually really cool. And there's now daffodils. Although, contrary to William Shakespeare's thoughts that daffodils come before the swallow dares and takes the wind of March with beauty, this Houston, there's tons of Texas top varieties, and here is the daffodils that was being hinted upon by our side. Okay, now as we walk past, we see. What am I doing? Sorry, I can't do this anymore. Oh, okay. So here is the fuchsias, which are some. It might sound like a color, but it's also a flower, which are these red color things, which are actually really good looking. Okay, now here's Pythagua americana, or Indian pokeweed, which are native to the open woods, and they are in moist things. Environments. Sorry. Okay. Now the Nymphalia menzilii. This is a wildflower, and now we have Abies fabri, which is a rare fir tree with a striking peridamele jani. Okay, so now we're walking through this field, and it seems like we're actually being close back to the middle. Okay, so now here's this little machine thing gadget that whenever you stand on it, boom, there. Okay, so now Angie's turn. Oh, and okay, this revolving machine. Wow. Okay, now we have made it back to the middle. There's this little shop here, as we can buy some dream catchers and other little Chinese traditional stuff, and gadgets and trinkets. As you can see here, some jewelry and some items and decorations. Okay, now here's the second part of the thing. Okay, so now as we walk down the trail, we figure out how. And whoa! And there's the Chinese lanterns. They're decorative items, which are made of paper, and they have very cool and elaborate designs that are very striking. Now this part of the trail is based off Chinese mythology and tradition, and as you can see here, it is filled with a lot of Chinese animals and the Chinese gardens, which are these traditional Chinese gardens are landscapes that blend natural elements with artistic principles. They feature paths, ponds, and plants like bamboo and others, and it just looks so good. Okay, bamboo is a grass, even though whatever it is, it's actually a grass, and it's the fastest growing plant in the world, and it's very, very good. And as you can see, the pandas right here, which are these bear species known to China, which looks very distinctive because of their white eyes, really likes the bamboo. It is a food source for them.
Oh, look, it's moving.
This part contains the 12 Chinese zodiacs. We have rats. I'm gonna try to list them all. Rat, snake. Oh, there's the oxen. The Blue. Here's the tiger, which is another crazy. This is they are sensitive and emotional, but are capable of great love.
Millie was
The rabbit is I can see. Dragons are full of vitality, are very energetic men and women that are and I am a dragon. I'm a 2012 person, so it says I am one.
Yeah, later. Since we're here.
Okay, so here we're gonna be taking a picture, as you can see. Okay, the snake is people that are wise and quite charismatic. They are very wise, but they can be stubborn. Horses are people that are very independent but very friendly. They can be very, very inspiring, and that's very nice. The sheep or the ram is people. This is the monkey. They are very intelligent creatures. I mean people, sorry.
Stand by.
The roosters are hard-working people that often speak their mind. Because of this, they get very prideful and can be very flashy. Dogs are very loyal people, and they are very loving people with berries. Pigs are people that you would like to have with you, and very intellectual and smart. And now we reach the part that talks. We have this dragon, and it's actually really cool. Now we're talking about when we went inside of this little, it's actually pretty big circle with a lotus in the middle. And as we walk down, we can it opens up and closes back like a fist. And now we walk down this tunnel filled with oil paper umbrellas. And why it looks so good. It's not just good, it's amazing. And the flashing colors work so good together. And it's traditional oil, it's made of oil paper. I don't know what's silver. Now we reach this sign. It says Happy Holidays and Happy Holidays to you. We're taking. Now this is the really fun part. This is a drums, and these drums have the ability to create light. Whenever you hit them, a burst of light and energy rises up the tree, and then now I'm trying it, and I thought it was really fun. And now we have this thing in the middle, this tree in the middle with tons of ropes around it. Okay, now here are the sunflowers. We walk down and swing through, and now we have ended our journey. So now I really hope you liked this video, and I really had a ton of fun making this. Thank you for watching, and thank you for coming. Alright, this is the end of our video. Thank you for watching the next videos. Bye.